right here behind me, I have a large pile of dead tree roots. Now, even though they're not connected to a tree anymore, they still play a very important role in our soil's ecosystem. So earlier, we talked about something called inorganic matter. That was in the minerals video. This is not inorganic matter. This is what we call organic matter. Organic matter is matter that contains carbon. So even though these are dead, they still contain carbon. Thus, they are organic matter. Other examples of organic matter are plant residues and microbial biomass. Now, microbial biomass, that is just a number of microorganisms in a given section. So, all of these living and dying organisms, they are in a cycle. And this cycle breaks large organic molecules down into nutrients that other microbes or the soil needs in order to grow more plants. This helps increase the biodiversity. Biodiversity is the number of different things that can grow in an area or live in an area. And also, it helps keep the soil, air, water balance. A very famous example of this process is actually composting. Now, composting, that is when you mix your browns, greens, water, microbes, and thyme in order to make a nutrient-rich natural fertilizer for the soil. First, let's break down what are browns. Now, browns, that is your carbon source. You can get that from like dead leaves or dead twigs or even dead roots. Let's go on to your greens. Greens, those are your nitrogen source. Things like just cut grass or citrus peel or fruit scraps or your veggie scraps, that contains a lot of nitrogen, which is very necessary for a good compost. Next, we have water. Water is the magic ingredient that allows everything to mix together and also allows for microbes to grow. And these microbes break down your browns and greens, and this forms your beautiful, beautiful compost. Now that is all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.